Okay, you shut up.
Huh? No question.
No, shut up. Cool, so from beginning. So every fight, guys, starts from slap and fist bump, right? So after the slap and fist bump, we're moving on to the stance and grip fighting. So from here, at the grip fighting stage, we're looking to establish the dominant grips, and we're looking to not let our opponent to establish any grips on us. Okay, so we have to win the grip fight, and this is the first stage that you have to be very good at, is win that grip fight. Then once you establish your grips, first thing we're looking off the grips is submission. What is the submission opportunities that are available there? Most of the time it's going to be like snap downs, guillotines, arm-in guillotines, anaconda chokes, Darce chokes, so on. Okay? Now, if you don't have the submission opportunity of the grip fight, next thing, so we have two routes from here. We can pull the guard or we can fight for the takedown. I would suggest everyone, from self-defense perspective, first of all, start working on your takedown ability, okay, and take this side here, and that's more for the sports side of it. Okay, so from here, we're looking to get the person down. When you're thinking of what takedowns you want to master, think of the takedowns that bring you straight away or close to the submission opportunity or straight away into the submission, okay? So example, hip throw armbar, bull takedown, straight ankle lock. So it's like you got takedown, off the takedown, you got submission opportunity right in front of your nose straight away. So we're taking the person down. After we take the person down, first we have to stabilize the position, make sure we don't get submitted when we take the person down, okay? Stabilize position, and then off of there looking for your submission opportunities. If you can't find the submission opportunity of your takedown, we're looking to progress the fight. So then we're looking to pass the guard, get past the legs, and then look for our submission opportunities from there. Most of the time that would be a side control, our shoulder pressure, arm triangles from there, and so on, okay? Now, we got the guard pass, we're looking for submission opportunities. The person does a good job, he doesn't expose himself to anything. So then we're looking to progress the fight. Knee on belly is a very good tool to expose submission opportunities or transition to the mount or back control if the person starts turning away. Once you go knee on belly, your job there is to create a lot of discomfort, so the person addresses that discomfort and starts dealing with your knee, and that will expose submission opportunities. That would be like far side armbar, near side armbar, Americana, transition to the mount, guillotine, Darce choke off of there. So we have loads of opportunities to finish the fight from that. Now, if you can't get the submission from knee on the belly, then we're looking to progress the match depending on the person's reaction. If the person stays on the back, progress to the mount. If the person turns away, turtles up, then we progress into the back control. Mount and back control, this is the top of the dominant position, so from there we're looking to finish the fight. Once you secure the mount, from there you finish, the only thing we're looking for is submission. Once we go to back control, the only thing from there is we're looking for submission. However, if we're mounting someone and the person starts turning around, we can let the person to turn around and take their back, and then finish from the back. If we take the back control and the person starts getting of our hooks and hip escaping, and we feel like we start losing back control, get to the mount. So bounce between two, back and forth, and from there look for your submission opportunity to finish the fight. Okay? Now, whenever I'm fighting someone who I feel can out-wrestle me, whatever I know the person is better than me in wrestling, or I feel he's better than me through grip fighting, through pushing the person and pulling, and I feel they have very solid base and I cannot balance them, and like the person dominating the grip fight, that signals to me that the person has understanding of what he's doing in standing position. In that case, two things gonna happen. So I know the person's gonna out-wrestle me and he's gonna take me down, okay? If I carry on trying to wrestle that person, he's more likely going to take me down, score 2 points on me. Okay, and I'm going to end up underneath and 2 points down. Or I can pull the guard and then it's going to be 0-0 on points and I'm still underneath. So either way, I know I end up underneath. The only thing is by pulling guard, you're taking away the opportunity of the person to score the points on you with takedown. Why are we pulling the guard? We pull the guard for the purpose of finishing with the submission. primarily objective is submission, and then if we can't find the submission opportunities off of our guard pull, then we're looking for the sweep, and off the sweep, we're straight away looking for the submission opportunities. So we pull the guard, looking, can we finish the fight from here straight away? Example would be flying armbar, flying triangle, single X into straight ankle lock. Okay, that would be the good examples of guard pull into the submission straight away. Now, sweep from here, off the sweep, we're looking for the submission opportunity straight away. If we cannot submit the person, then we are moving into guard pass. So we swept the person, we got on top, we don't see any submission opportunities from here, then we're looking to pass the guard and we back here. Okay? And then you just loop it. And whatever, like inside the match you regress, the other person defends and you regress. Say you got the mount, the person may need to go back to side control. Just looking for the submission opportunities from side control first. If there's no submission opportunities, going like trying to progress back to the mount. Okay, does that make sense? Cool. So I just wanted to record that as well, so I can upload it and everyone can watch it. I hope I actually pressed the record button. Okay, cool. So grip fighting, what we did is like last session we looked at the grip fighting today. And we looked at the takedown into submission. So I want to look into the guard pass into submission today. So partner up, guys, start in front of the guard, whatever guard you prefer, like whatever guard you struggle against, looking for past that guard and into the submission opportunity straight away. So past the guard, look what is submission opportunity there. If you don't see anything, just give me, speak to your training partner. They might direct you from there. If you both don't have the answer, give me a shout, I'll come over and I might see something from there. Like there's always the opportunity there. Okay, so we go and start in the person's guard, we're looking to pass the guard, submission. Cool, that's the subject of thinking and for today. 1, 2 guys, gonna clap together, 1, 2, let's go.